Today's topic, film review. Film review is the special topic or the new topic for the student of 12th standard and 11th standard. Film review means it is a total appreciation or the total survey of the given film. In the same film, same important characters are given, plots are given. Those characters, plots, directors, music directors, hero, villain, all those characters are telling the exact idea of the film. But in film review, one star and two stars are given. One star are given that telling us that view, that film is not watchable, means we are not interested to watch that film. The first star is telling to us. Whereas the second star are given in the film review. Those stars telling us that the symbols, the symbols of the particular film and the leisure's rating depends on that two stars. So one star and two star are the two important symbols are given in the film so that the watcher so that the watcher can so that the watcher can understand the exact difference between one star and two star. Actually, we are watching films for for an entertainment, but that entertainment is only for the viewers or the entertainers. But whenever we are writing this type of the question in examination, that time we must know the important steps. If we know the important steps, definitely we are getting particular mark or the same percent mark to those steps. So the film review is not the topic for entertainment. It is a topic for the critical appreciation of given film. For example, Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par, this is the important film of Amir Khan. In the same film, the writer or the hero had played important role for the students. And after watching that film, whenever someone had asked only one questions to you, do you like that film? Or what is the importance of that film? That time we are directly or within a moment we're giving our reaction or expressing our own opinion after watching that film. Suppose we have not watched that film, we can't give any type of the reaction or any type of the response to that film. So the film review means we must watch we must watch the film and give our opinion or the expectation from the directors. Some directors are particularly making very interesting film or entertainable film to that viewers, and the total publicity of that film on the box office is depends on the viewers or the watchers. So film review is totally creating such type of the impression on the mind of the watchers, and that impression is very useful for the publicity of the particular film. So Tare Zameen Par, in this film, Amir Khan had played important role, and in the same film, he had told, Amir Khan had told how that film is peeping, peeping into the life of the people, common people. But the common people are also the backbone of the given film. That is the important factor of the film, so that the student can find out the exact main character in the given film, and he has tried to write the exact concept related with that film. So the Amir Khan had advised to all the small generation or the small children that you have to watch that film, and how the life of the painter how the life of the painter was changed, had changed after some time in the course of time. So the children should watch the film in video or in talkies or in cinema theaters so that they can change their mind and get the important message from that film. So the film review is particularly selected by the board paper setters or board bookmakers for increasing the creativity or developing the creativity of the student at the time of writing their answer. That is the one purpose of film review. Now the second purpose of film review is whether the students are able to make the critical appreciation of given film or not. That is the second step. So that step is very important for our daily life, because in our daily life we are living common life. But in our common life some minor things are there. Those things are not like to us. So those things, unlike things, are neglected by us. But when we are neglecting those things we are going to neglect when we do not like those things. So in the same film review, some things or some hints are not like to the viewers, not like to the watchers. They are neglecting. So in film reviews, some good and some bad ideas are given. Some good ideas are accepted. Good ideas are accepted by the watchers, and bad ideas are neglected by the watchers. Means accepting good or accepting bad, those ideas are totally depend on the mind of watcher. So the students are writing film review question answer. That time they are first making the minute observations of given particular title of the film, and they are expressing there some points those like to him. And in the second stage they are writing some dislike things in a second stage. So in our daily life, the student should stand on their own legs at the time of facing condition. That is the purpose of film review. Some directors are particularly using the specific music. For example, the musicians are number of musicians are there. For example, Ravindra Jain, he was music director and the singer also. But the two important role, singer and director, two important roles were played by Mr. Ravindra Jain in his film. For example, the song of Mahabharata. The song of Mahabharata, the total music direction was given by Mr. Ravindra Jain, and that music like to all the people, because there is melody is there, and that melody is created by Mr. Ravindra Jain in his film. Means at the time of writing answer, the student should know the exact background of that film, and he has to write his own opinion in his answer at the time of taking the point music direction into account. That is the important idea is given in the same film. Mr. Amir Khan was playing the role of painter. The role of painter, that is the role of a small boy who was coming from middle class family. But that middle class family was taken into account by the director, Mr. Amir Khan, because what type of the life the common people are living, or what type of the common people were living, present and past ideas are mixed together by the director in order to create the perfect impression perfect impression on the mind of the watchers. That is the important idea given in film review. But that translation is a translation of English. Whenever I translating that point, film review in Marathi, वी मस्ट नो. फिल्म रिव्ह्यूमध्ये जेव्हा आपण मराठीमध्ये घेतो तेव्हा आपल्याला सर्वात महत्त्वाची बाब लक्षात येते. फिल्म रिव्ह्यू म्हणजे अपील नव्हे, किंवा फिल्म रिव्ह्यू म्हणजे चित्रपटामध्ये असणाऱ्या वेगवेगळ्या बाबी पाहणे नव्हे, तर फिल्म रिव्ह्यू म्हणजे चित्रपटामध्ये जे पात्र आहेत, नायक आहे, नायिका आहे, निर्माता आहे, या सगळ्या बाबी विचारात घेऊन त्याचं सविस्तर टीकात्मक परीक्षण करावं लागतं, की ज्या माध्यमातून पाहणाऱ्या व्यक्तीच्या मनामध्ये एक वेगळ्या प्रकारचा ठसा उमटावा लागतो. आणि म्हणून आपण ज्यावेळेला यामध्ये उदाहरण घेतो तारे जमीन पर, या उदाहरणामध्ये आपण या चित्रपटात ज्यावेळेला आमिर खानचं नेहमीच असणारं चित्रपट घेतो, तर आपल्याला लक्षात येतं की आमिर खानने या ठिकाणी जी एका लहान मुलावरती आधारलेली, पेंटरच्या जीवनावर आधारलेली कथा ज्यावेळेला समोर घेतली होती, तर त्याचा उद्देश काय, की सर्वसामान्य कुटुंबामधून येणारी जी मुलं आहेत त्यांचं जीवन कसं आहे, आणि ते सर्वसामान्य मुलं आपलं जीवन बदलण्यासाठी कसा प्रयत्न करतात, इतरांच्या टीका सहन करतात, अपमान सहन करतात, पण आपल्या जीवनाला कोणत्या प्रकारे वेगळं वळण लावून देतात आणि समाजापुढं एक वेगळ्या प्रकारचे चित्र तयार करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात. ही सर्व सारांश आमिर खान यांनी तारे जमीन पर या चित्रपटामध्ये घेतला. आणि म्हणून आपण फिल्म रिव्ह्यू या असणाऱ्या मुद्द्यासाठी आपण तारे जमीन पर हा मुद्दा आपण विचाराधीन घेतलेला आहे. इथं फिल्म रिव्ह्यू हा मुद्दा संपतो. धन्यवाद.